Hi, welcome in, Eric Roberts, Music City Trader. Today we're going to be going over pocket option and binary options trading using the simple platform called Pocket Option. My affiliate link is in the description of this video. Clear your cache, clear your cookies, click on that link and you can sign up under the affiliate link there. You can get 25 to 50% bonus on your first deposit, which really helps as a beginner. I am going to go over the platform in a really simple method in this video. I'm going to show you how to set the timer. I'm going to show you how to make a bid. I'm going to show you about candles, basic indicators, how to draw on charts, how to place bids. And also, when you get ready to put money in, you can basically go click finance, hit deposit, and it's really simple to do. You can actually do it right through Coinbase. So you can see a lot of these things, Bitcoin, Coinbase, all this. You put money in PayPal. So let me show you my screen there. You put money in PayPal, and then you can put it right through Bitcoin. Or you can buy Bitcoin and then use your Bitcoin wallet. I use Coinbase, okay? So the trading platform is simple. Let's go digital trading demo account. And you can trade in demo all you want to. You can just click a top up anytime you want and add money to demo. It's really simple. Let's start from the candles, the candle colors. I changed my candle colors in this top row right here. What you're gonna do is you click on the little star and it pops up these charts, okay? 82% payout, that's what you want. You want a high payout, 80% or above when you're doing this. So you can just click from chart to chart and see what's going on. Now, when you come into Pocket Option, it's not gonna look like this. It'll just look more like this, and these indicators won't be here. I show you in my online course how to set up the entire demo mode, all of my indicators for my method. But basically, I have a couple slow-moving averages here, and I have the MACD and the stochastic, and I've changed the colors to make it perfect. And if you're taking my course, you already saw me do all of that in another video. If you're not taking the course, hey, check in the description, take a link, take the course. It's a phenomenal course to help you get started. But if you are taking the course, you've already seen it. So this video will probably be in the course as well as on YouTube. Some of these videos cross over. So basically I put my indicators on here so I can kind of look and see what's going on. I can scroll in and out. I can turn my indicators off by going like this, but keep them on. And then I want to do a few things. I want to show you how to do a bid timer. The bid timer is 2 minutes right here, but when you open Pocket Option, it looks like this: minute 2, and it has a little, like you can go minute 3, minute 4. These are 5-minute bids, 10-minute, 15-minute bids. That's what those are. Or you can go all the way down to like, I guess you can click on this and go 1-minute bids. But the problem with this setup timer is it's not absolute. In other words, it depends on when you enter this. The bid could be like, the easiest way to explain it is if it's a M1 bid, it's either a minute and a half or it's 30 seconds. I know it sounds crazy. It is, okay? It's extremely hard to figure out. Depending on when in the candle you enter, you're either going to have a 30-second bid or a minute and a half bid. So there's like a whole minute. To make it a little more clear, if it's a 3-minute bid, it can either be a 2.5-minute bid or like a 3.5-minute bid, I believe. So that's the exact difference. So I don't like this flag timer. It really starts and ends at the end of a candle. So it's like specifically at the end of a candle. And depending on when you enter it, it could be longer or shorter than the candle you're set to. So I click the little flag, it turns it into a little timer, and then you can have an absolute timer. So if you want to make a 1-minute bid, then make a 1-minute bid, period. If you want to make a 2-minute bid, make a 2-minute, 15-second bid. You can be very specific, and that does help. So I always click absolute and click 1 or 2-minute bids, depending on what I'm doing. The candles that you're looking at over here, you want them to be in either 1-minute candles, 2-minute candles, 3-minute candles, 5-minute candles, 10-minute candles, whatever you want. You can do custom colors here. I customize my colors for my own purpose. But 1-minute candles is what I usually work with, and I usually work with the candles that look like this, candles. You can do different views. Click around and see what you want, but come back to the standard 1-minute candles with 1 or 2-minute bids if you're following along with my strategy. All right, so then with money. This is your bid amount. You can go up and down however you want to, and it's basically you can just type in $25 a bid amount. I'm going to keep this at $1. If you click on this, it will be a percentage of your account, and so I don't use that because my bidding strategy calls for very specific bids and very specific makeup. So I want a bid amount of like $10, and then when you're ready to place a bid, you just wait for this, and I'm going to make this a short bid, like so you can see how it happens. You can actually do 15-second bids if you want to. So I'm going to do a 15-second bid, 14-second bid, and I'm going to click up right when I think it's going to go up, and we'll see if I win or lose. So you can see this little chart's going up. You're losing the bid. You're losing the bid. Oh, you're winning the bid. You're losing the bid. And you're winning the bid, and that's what happens when you do short bids. They just happen really fast. I won the bid, and then it'll say, hey, you won $18.20 because you're winning 82% of your bid. So I bid $10, and I won $8. It's interesting. I bid $10, I got $18.20 on that trade. So I won my $10 back, plus I won $8.20. So I won 82% of the bid. So it'll say that you won $18.20, but you really won your $10 back. You received and kept your $10 plus $8 profit. If you lose, you're going to lose the full $10. That's how it works, and it's pretty simple. But it does take quite a long time. So if you're not sure what's going on, I would say take one of my online courses. Specifically, if you really want to make money in this, you have to have a bidding strategy, and you have to have a financial strategy and a loss prevention strategy. Those are all key. They work together. How much risk, how much loss prevention are you going to do? Because you will have losses in binary options. And that's why I think people get kind of losing money, because they just start making bids and then they start losing, and then they make more bids, and then it's very hard to win a lot of bids in a row, or to just never lose. I mean, I've been working on this forever, even looking at some of the best traders out there, and some of them, like if they have an 80% win rate, is extremely high, and that's about what you need to win. You got to have over a 50% win rate to ever even win any money at all. So, and oftentimes, it's hard to win that way unless you have a real strategy. So I have the double crossover strategy that I teach on my YouTube channel and in the online course. I do go in depth with it. And but the key, I think, and the overall key is, yes, learn to win, but also learn to protect your money. So protect your account, loss strategy, and then also how to grow, have a growth strategy. And our spreadsheet teaches you how to do that. Our Music City Trader spreadsheet, it teaches you how to do that. Talk about it on the website. There's a link for the course in the description where you get all the spreadsheets and all the information. So basically, when you click this, you can pick stocks or currencies. Those are the two that I bid on, and I only bid on above 80%, and you'll learn all that as long as you watch more videos. But there is a key to this, to really winning this. This is pretty much the method. You set up your indicators on the platform, and let me show you one other cool thing. You can draw horizontal lines on these charts by going up to this little paintbrush. Like you can say, okay, I know that there's a resistance line here. You can put this horizontal line here. You can make it thicker. You can make it different color if you want it black. But like if it goes above this line right here, this is a support line or resistance line. If it goes above that, then I'm going to bid or whatever. You can do vertical lines. You can kind of do that, and then you can delete these as well. And this is really good. You can do a trend line. I use trend line the most because you can make it short. You can make it up. You can do a few of them on there and be like, I think this is bouncing between this and that. And so you can kind of do that, then delete these as well. And then I believe, I don't use this. I hardly ever use this. Two charts, very confusing. I'm not even sure how to get out of that now. I don't use it very much. Maybe I just click, maybe you can use this. I mean, to me, it's cool. It's a great idea. I want to see more charts. Maybe I can do 4 charts. But what I've noticed, it takes your indicators off. It's very clunky to me. But I'm looking at very, very specific things in my indicator, so I just stick with one big screen, and then I just kind of flip through charts like this. If I see a chart that's really good, I'll pull it over to this side and put it up on the left, so I'm keeping an eye on this one for now, and I'll be looking around. If I'm looking at this one, I'm going to pull this one over, and I'm like, going to see this one. This one would have been a good crossover, maybe, so I pull it over and watch it. And then you can add some money in. There's different things in Pocket Option that I'll probably go over more, but I just wanted to give you guys an overview of how to do it. You're going to put some money in or just use your demo bucks that they give you, and you're going to set your time to an absolute timer, set your money there, and you're going to hit up or down, bidding up or down with the time. So I'm going to go back to 2 minutes just so this doesn't mess up my account later. And if you have any questions, let me know. I am here for you, and I will help you as much as I can. But I think most of this has to do with you picking out the strategy that you want to bid with, picking out your loss strategy, the strategy that you want to make up your bids, or to however you're going to not lose money. There's not very many strategies. There's a couple. The Music City Trader makeup bid strategy is one of the best, and it's also comes with a spreadsheet, so you don't just make up bids or just kind of come up with a way to do it. It shows you here's where you're starting, here's how much money's in your account, here's how deep you can go with this much money, here's how much you want to protect in your account, and then here's your bids for the day. These are the bid amounts you can do, and if you win this many, here's your growth projection for the day, the month, the year, and you can change anything in that spreadsheet. It's phenomenal. It's included in my Teachable course right there in the link in the description. God bless you guys. I'll see you on the other side. If you want to take the course, or just check out the YouTube channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.